Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. So today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-register sa QA World. Pero bago ang lahat, ano nga ba yung QA World? So, QA World is a transcription company that offers home-based jobs. Their work consists of listening to different recordings and typing them as you listen. Okay, so ngayong alam na natin, let's start now with registration. Una, punta tayo sa website na app.qaworld.com. Okay, so dito makikita mo yung kanilang website where you can send your application para maging isa sa kanilang transcribers. So now, paano nga ba mag-apply? So, pupunta lang tayo dito sa Apply Today. So, gawa tayo ng account. So, first name. Okay. And then, lagay mo yung iyong email. And how did you hear about us? So, lagay mo kung Facebook ad or galing sa iyong friend or family member na nag-work na sa QA World. Or kung wala dito sa dalawa, so lalagay ko na lang is a friend or family member. So, pag na-fill-upan mo na yan, just click apply. Ayan, so, yun yung makikita natin. Thanks for applying. You should shortly receive a reply from qaworld.com. So, punta tayo ngayon sa ating email para ma-check kung nag-send na sila ng email. So, ito yung email na nakikita mo. Subject is QA World Admin. Hello from QA World. So, hi Karen Cruz. Welcome to QA World Transcription Team. So, isasabihin niya sa'yo, the next step to finish your application is go through a short transcription test. So, click lang natin to para mapunta tayo dun sa short transcription test. Okay, so ito na yung makikita mo once na-click mo yun. So, unang-una mong gagawin ay magsaset ka ng yung password. So, magset na tayo ng password. Yan. So, password must be at least 8 characters, include at least 1 uppercase letter, and a number. So, click natin tong create account. English transcription test. So, ito na siya. Very simple, very short test lang to ng transcription. So, basahin lang natin yung nakalagay. Below is a short audio clip. Please listen to and transcribe in English the entire clip as best as possible. Do not summarize or write each word you hear. Okay? So, kailangan kung ano yung pagkakadinig mo, yun yung itatype mo. Where appropriate, please use correct punctuation like commas, question marks, etc. This is a quick test of your basic understanding of English audio comprehension, spelling, and grammar. Okay, so once na tapos na tayong mag-type, pwede na tayong mag-submit transcription. So, pwede mo siyang i-review. Don't worry guys, kasi pwede mo naman siyang i-check. Pwede mo siyang palitan, pwede mo siyang i-edit kung mayroong something na tingin mo mali. Wala naman kasing, wala naman siyang time or wala naman siyang timer or time limit. So, once okay na tayo dito, just click lang natin yung submit transcription. So, sabi niya, unfortunately, you did not pass the test. Feel free to try again. So, ito yung sinasabi ko din na maganda sa QA World Once na hindi ka nakapasa, you can retake the test. So, click lang natin yung retake transcription test. Okay. So, babalik tayo dito sa ating transcription. So, play ulit natin siya and then magta-type ulit tayo. Okay. So, ngayon na natapos na ulit natin mag-take ng test. Check lang ulit natin kung tama or kung may mali, sana wala na. So, kung confident na tayo sa na-type natin, then, click na natin again yung submit transcription. Ayan. So, nakikita mo dito ngayon na nakapasa na tayo. So, ang sabi niya, you got the job, Karen. Welcome to the QA World Transcription Team. So, kita nyo instant yung kanyang pag-accept or yung kanyang pag-reject sa test na tinake mo. So, of course, papakita niya dito kung magkano yung rate, yung approximate rate na natatanggap ng ating transcriptionist. So, you will be paid at a rate of approximately 20 cents per audio minute transcription. So, based yun sa quality ng transcript na sinend mo. And then, our Slack workspace, dun mo makakausap yung ibang transcriptionist and also support team from QA World. So, makaka-receive ka ng another email from Slack. So, now we can set up our account. So, click set up account. So, just review and sign yung kanilang NDA. So, once na nasa mo na siya lahat, make sure na sundin mo siya. So, lagay lang natin dito yung ating first name and last name as our signature. Then, click continue. So, review their privacy policy and take a short quiz. Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-answer ng quiz. Click lang natin yung submit answers and continue. So now, punta na tayo sa payment. Enter your PayPal information. Okay, so make sure you use your PayPal email address and not your account number. Or PayPal.me link or anything else. Kailangan yung PayPal email address para wala tayong problema pag payout day na. So, click lang natin yung continue. So, ito na yung Slack. So, click lang natin yung continue. Okay. So, meron tayong short explanation video. Pwede natin siyang panoorin. This is an introduction ng QA World Transcription, which hindi ko na rin pwedeng i-video sa inyo. So, panoorin nyo lang siya para malaman nyo lahat ng kailangan nyo gawin pag nasa loob na kayo ng QA World platform. So, once na panood nyo na siya, just complete your setup. Complete account setup by clicking this button here. Ayan. So, now, account setup is complete. So, by now, natapos na natin yung NDA and privacy policy. Very important. Nalink na natin yung ating PayPal account. Na-setup na yung Slack. And napanood na natin yung video na nag-introduce natin ng general understanding of how their site works. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa FAQ. So, this is very important, guys. So, kung pwede mo siyang i-copy-paste or i-download and then i-save mo siya sa Google Drive mo or sa laptop or sa phone para anytime pwede ka mag-refer dito. Andito lahat ng kanilang do's and don'ts na kailangan mong sundin pag nagka-transcribe ka na. Pag nabasa mo na to, pupunta na naman tayo sa short quiz. Okay? And so, tapos na tayo dun sa short quiz sa FAQ. Click na natin itong submit answers and continue. So, tulad nito, nagkaroon tayo ng problema. You didn't pass the FAQ quiz. So, ganun din, pwede tayo mag-retake, guys. Very, very simple lang. So, retake lang natin siya. Makikita mo naman yung red kung saan ka nagkamali. So, click na natin ulit, submit answers, and continue. So, meron na tayong training. So, before ka mag-start ng training, make sure you review the FAQ. So, meron tayong training video part 1, training video part 2, and ito yung quality rating guidelines para malaman mo kung paano sila mag-rate. So, we have sample transcripts dito. It's very, very important. So, make sure na nabasa nyo lahat, naintindihan nyo, para alam nyo sa sarili nyo na ready na kayong mag-transcribe. Okay, so kung na-finish nyo na siyang lahat, just click continue. So, sabi niya, are you ready to just start transcribing? The best way to be a successful transcriber is to fully understand the FAQs. So, laging i-click, laging i-check, laging i-review ang FAQ. Okay. So, once alam mo na confident ka na, you can start transcribing. So, that's it. Now na nakapag-register na kayo, pwede na tayong mag-start mag-transcribe and hopefully mag-earn ng money. Kung meron sa inyo na nahihirapan makapasa sa transcription test nila, just send me a message. Makikita nyo sa baba ang link where you can send me a direct message. So, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video kung nagustuhan nyo, kung may natutunan kayo, and subscribe for more videos on how we can earn money online gamit lang ang inyong computer or mobile phone. So, hope to see you on my next video. Bye, guys!